Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can use contact form in your web page. So maybe it's your home page and here you need a contact form so that when people will visit your web page they get the contact form. So you can make on by yourself, but also there are options that you can choose the contact form from these categories. So if you go in the block section and on the left side you can see there are contact and there's 22 items. That means in 22 different way you can put the contact. So we start with the very simple one. Here you can see that it is giving the phone number, opening hours, and also email address, and this one you see that there is text, number, and an icon. So if you want a different one, you go here again, press in contact, and bring this one. And here also you can see that it has different options. It has a map, Google Map, and it has the contact information for where your office is situated, phone number and email address, and a little bit of description. So map is a very good way to present where is your office. So here if you just click on the map you can see there is an icon of map, and if you go here you can change. You can see that map has already in Copenhagen, but your address is 132 Terry Road. So we just copy and paste that, and immediately you can see it goes there, and you can actually zoom it more. So it has up to 21 zoom, but if we can just reduce it down, now you can see that the surroundings areas as well. So if we go back again, now the filter option actually gives you to color the map, so you can choose different color gradients to beautify the colors. And also this one, these three things, you can light it up or make it a little bit dark. So this is how you can make this contact information section interactive. And there are other options as well. We can go back to the contact and we can just plain bring a contact form here. Just directly, please contact us, come visit us. Instead you can say please contact us, and this one you can just delete. Also these three things maybe you would like them to be deleted. So now you have a plain contact form.